The Ratchet Show.
Come on in here, baby. Guess we really a good time.
Okay, baby. But you gonna get hard this time, cause you know I'm still a virgin. Your little pee-pee didn't make it past the hole there, baby.
Granddad got a little meat. Get your ass out my room. Come on, Daddy, he gone. Come on, spray them cheeks.
Baby, you're tearing it up this time, baby. You still ain't in the hole, though.
How your little dick ass thought I was asleep? Grandma, your titty hanging off the bed.
The Ratchet Show.
Man, I'm tired of eating that damn leftover turkey.
Granddad, why grandma walking the streets?
I put that old wrinkled thing out on the street.
You put my grandma on the street?
You just smacked me. I ain't talking about your damn grandma. I'm gonna kick your ass.
My fault, Granddad. I'm sorry.
This was smacking me earlier.
Oh my God, why did you smack him like that?
Cause he smacked me earlier cause he thought I put your old ass out on the street.
Oh.
I'm tired of y'all smacking me.
The Ratchet Show.
I never got my dick sucked. Can you just lick the damn thing?
But I can't, baby. I don't suck dick, baby.
Watch this.
I just can't.
Oh my God, you doing it, you nasty mother. Oh my God, my toes curling.
I wonder who I hit with the grandma.
Oh my God, baby. It's not what it looked like, baby.
Oh, it is what it looked like. I told you she was nasty.
And you gonna let my grandma suck your dick?
I'm gonna kick your ass, smack me one more.
The Ratchet Show.
Baby, look. Ratchet done left his phone.
Okay, but keep it there, baby. Don't go through his phone, baby.
Don't go to his phone. I pay these damn bills in this damn house.
Okay, baby, but if he see you.
I don't give a fuck. I'll kick his ass. Oh, I'm gonna go through this damn phone. Look. Oh my God, baby, look at these damn titties.
Oh my God, baby.
I wish you had nice titties like these, baby. Your old ass titties be everywhere. Every time I look up a titty. Titty.
You know I got nice titties, baby. You like them?
That's cause that's the only damn titties I got. I remember when your soggy ass titties was in my fucking nose while I was asleep. You be trying to give me brain damage at night. Your titties be everywhere.
Granddad, what you doing with my phone?
Oh shit. I didn't have your phone, Ratchet.
I told him don't go through your phone, baby. He was looking at some titties.
What the? I'm legally blind. I can barely see.
You lying. You could see.
And he said he was gonna kick your ass, baby.
You a snitch. We ain't doing the bouncy tonight.
I don't care. You're scrimpy anyways, baby.
Oh, get around.
The Ratchet Show.
Now who the hell is this at my damn door?
Where's Ratchet?
Your greasy ass should be the last person talking about some
No, you should be the last person talking about some with your wrinkly ass. You look shriveled up.
Hold on, baby girl. You smell that?
Well, what you smell? Cause I damn sure don't smell nothing.
I smell your funky ass.
Funky? Nigga, ain't nobody funky. Nigga, all the boys want all this. You sound like you about to die.
That's cause I am about to die. Your damn breath clouds holding my nose like this. Suffocating me.
Nigga, what?
Oh.
Nigga, what? You just did too much with your raisin looking ass.
I'd rather look like a damn raisin than a damn McDonald's hash brown with googly eyes.
Fuck no, boy. You old as shit, boy. You like a dry ass booger, boy.
And you look like you came out the asshole, shitty.
Alright, you won. Now where the fuck is Ratchet?
He ran away cause he smelled your ass coming.
Oh my God, you blowing me.
I ought to snatch that shit off your head too.
Do it.
Give me that.
Ah, help!
Look at the
Can I have my shit back? I'm leaving.
hell to the hell. Matter of fact, take this stinking shit.
Stink? Ain't nothing stink over here. And don't throw my stuff.
Well, tell it to the door.
Did he just?
Stinking thing.
Grandma, you think Granddad was good?
I hope so, baby.
Man, this stinking thing don't quit. Man, if you don't get your old stinking ass away from my damn house, ooh.
Baby.
What you just said about my grandma?
I ain't saying nothing about the next person smack me, I'm kicking.
The Ratchet, the Ratchet, the Ratchet Show.
You like them titties, baby? You like them titties, baby?
Hell yeah, I like them titties. I like them titties, baby.
Hey, y'all will be, Grandma, your titties.
Oh my God, my titties, baby.
Damn, you ever heard of knocking?
Knocking? Nigga, I ain't knocking shit.
Oh, hell, if you don't, you better be knocking, because I could be knocking boots right now.
Hell no, you gonna be knocking orthopedic shoes, your old ass.
Nigga, my dick grew this much.
But you're still a script.
Oh, I ain't no damn script. Ask your grandma. My dick is bigger than your hairline.
Bigger than my headline. Guess what? I ain't got no headline, bitch.
Yeah, that's right. You better run, nigga. I don't got a little dick.
You mean wee-wee?
I ain't got no damn wee-wee. Call me Dick from now on.
Okay, baby.
What's my name, baby?
Wee-wee.
Dick.
Wee-wee.
No, it's Dick. I like Dick.
I heard that, Granddad. You gay.
See what the hell you done started about my damn wee-wee? I mean, my dick.
Oh my God, baby, you're crazy.
Oh my God, baby, I'm so sorry. Who the hell is this at my damn? Now who the hell is this at my damn? Oh, hell no. What the hell you want, Newport?
Man, look, I don't know. I just know I seen some titties back there, and they leading me this way. Some long titties, too. They wrinkled and stuff.
Damn, baby, I told you your titties be everywhere. Why the hell you at my damn house?
Man, fuck all the bullshit, nigga. What the fuck is good, Uncle Sweet? I'm coming in.
Nigga, if you don't take your little ass on somewhere.
Damn, what the hell y'all been doing? This my ass and foot in this motherfucker.
That's God telling me to put my foot in your ass.
Baby, who you talking to? Oh my God, son, I ain't want to see that. Those was your Slim Jim titties across the street.
If you don't put some damn clothes on them titties.
The Ratchet, the Ratchet, the Ratchet Show.
Oh my God, baby, baby, baby.
Oh my God, baby, what do you want, baby?
Baby, Mr. Happy don't go 2 inches, baby.
Well, let me see, baby. You look like a piece of rice-a-roni stuck between your legs.
What you mean a piece of rice-a-roni? I see a boa constrictor.
Oh, I see it now, baby.
Hey, y'all, what the hell going on here?
I grew 2 inches.
Oh, I thought that was a piece of rice-a-roni or something stuck between your legs.
Y'all done pissed me off. Who is this at my damn door? What the hell you want?
I got a package for Sweet Willie.
In my damn package.
What's all the anger for? Is it because that piece of rice stuck there between your legs, sir?
Oh, what your bony ass laughing at?